Today we are going to be playing some Subway Surfers. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, my crap is laggy. Let's try going. Okay, I didn't meant to like that. What did I hit? Give me that flipping key, bro. You know I did not hit anything. I didn't even hit the wall. I don't know how I died, like, losing brain cells. I lost all of my brain cells. Caca! I'm a majestic butterfly. No, it's not a bird. It's not a plane. It's a girl that's on where the heck that thing was. But let me move my touchpad. Caca! I'm a majestic butterfly. Oh, crap. I'm not used to it like this. Hey, the star. I couldn't get the star. No greedy for that money. They call me Mr. Krabs for a reason. Paco! 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 Thanks for the L. Thank you. I haven't done a Subway Surfers video in a while. Oh, that was close. I haven't done a Subway Surfers video in a while. Why did I miss A? Why did I miss A? Is it 2 times the speed? I don't know what the freak that star is for. Oh! 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 Jump over that tree! Without even the boots. I'm glad I had a surfboard. I need to wait. I'm not trust issues with that. I'm the best player in the world. Doesn't have problems with that. Well, best player at Subway Surfers. I'm not even close to being at this level. Don't think I grind on this game every day. Honestly didn't. Last time somebody posted was 3 days ago, bro. 3 or 4 by now. Oh, I don't have my Subway Surf. Oh, not my Subway Surf. My surfboard. I gotta lock in. Ah! Bro, I couldn't see crap. No, I'm not stopping. Am I in flippin' goddamn Final Destination or what? Caca. Holy crap. Please. I lost tracking. Caca. Four. I'm going to waste all of my keys. I don't care what happens. Those keys are mine. I can do the heck I want. Random board. What did I even hit? I can't lie. Like, what did I hit? Holy crap! I'm fast. I'm locking in. Holy crap. I'm locked in, bro. I'm locked in. Ooh, that was close. I'm not even close to my high score. That's the crazy part. I think I passed it, actually. I don't know. I'm too locked in right now. That bush. That bush. Give me the surfboard, please. Give me a surfboard! I just double tapped it like 5 times. Oh, I should have got that C. Why is the star in the air? Screw you, Patrick Star. I'm gonna call it Patrick Star. Oh, I'm gonna lose all my surfboards by the end of the day. So I couldn't move. 8. I don't care. I don't care, bro. Give me that surfboard. Boom. I'm locked in. I don't care. I'm wasting all my keys this video. It's for y'all guys. You guys are my favorite. You guys are a good community. Yeah, I barely get any comments. Only on one video, but it's just short. But that's pretty obvious. So what was that? God dang it. Oh my god. 43,000! What? What? Holy moly! I'm not even that good, I swear. Yay, B. Okay, I didn't even press that. I'm not even leaving. Bro, this video's gonna be 10 minutes, whatever. Go back! Why am I in Google? What? Hold on a quick sec. Oh my god, those eyes. Holy moly. You hear that? That's my brother's watch going off right now. Wait. Was asking me so many questions. 14 at home. Caca. Oh, you think you can catch me? Oh, yeah, remember back then? Big Beck was levitating. Honestly, where do those coins come from? How are they levitating? And why is there coins? So surfers, we got some speaking to do. Okay, I missed somebody, I don't care. Surfboard. I like it when my character idle does that. Just makes my title more laggy. Go, go, go. Holy shrugs. Holy grug. Eh. 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 Oh yeah, I forgot to edit this video too. So am I colorblind? Okay, Mario 5,000. What's this? Double coins? I bet. I couldn't move. They're literally doubled. They're literally doubled. I like this. This thing had returned. I love this. Oh no, turn back to normal. Hey, at least I got double coins for a moment on video. Man, I should have got the magnet earlier. Oh my god, I'm dumb. Yeah, I saw that train moving. But there's a train right there, though. Wholly beyond the heavens. Okay, I'm gonna go without a surfboard because I'm wasting too much surfboards. Then I gotta waste some more money. Then I gotta do all that shenanigans. If my tracking lost right there, I'm just gonna scream into the mic like for the rest of the video. Like right there and then. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Because I have plenty of keys, guys. I'm like those people. I'm super rich. I'm not, I swear. Oh yeah, I'm cooked. I am definitely cooked. I am toast grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. I love cheese. My name is Biggie Cheese, guys. You know I gotta waste that money. Okay, what is it? What? I couldn't move. I did not meant to click the ad. It's gonna take me right straight to Google. I swear. Little McDonald's. But was that weird? Claim reward. Strike off. It gives me two ads that's like doing the Just Dance or something. Oh. I'm so close. I did not meant to click an ad. I swear to God, it's gonna show me a little McDonald's. Actually, it's not actually like a piece of Lego. You do. I'm not. That's a one big old X. Well, X, not X. Boop, boop. That's a lot of money. Mr. Krabs would be taking me as a slobbery dog or something. But be begging on that ground, getting on my knees and going, growl. Beetleborgs. Okay, let's go. Hold on a quick sec. How long is this video? 10 minutes. I'm gonna keep going on for 3 more minutes. Let's see about that. Well, after this one. Why did I just miss that? Coco's got big back levitating. Random board. What's the ability? Does he even have an ability? I don't know. It's just an ordinary board. There's like no abilities with that. I jumped. I'm gonna keep going. Oh yeah, you thought you was slick. You thought you was slick. Okay, I meant to jump to the side. Why did it just make me go back on the ground and didn't make me go to the side? What just happened? I'm wasting my... It's just making me waste my surfboards. What the heck? I'm in Final Destination. I didn't even click anything. Okay. Don't make me lose tracking. Or else I'm going to call this game hacking. Double jump. Or double smack in the cheek, bro. Double smack in the flippin' cheek. That was my last key. I can't even move! Okay, it's over.